Greetings from Silent Info. In this video, we'll learn about how to install and configure the module invoicing policy by customer. So for that, first you'll need to install the module. So for that, you need to go to the apps and type the module name, which is invoicing policy by customer. Okay, this module is currently installed in my instance. For that, you'll need to press here install. And now let's go directly to the configuration part. So for that, to set up the default invoicing policy for the customers, you'll need to go to the settings. In the settings, when you go to the sales and in the sales, you go to the invoicing. So in that, you will find the invoicing policy configuration, and you can see that the third entity has been added, which is invoice by customers. For that, you can set whether to set the policy by ordered quantities or by delivered quantities. So it is under delivered quantities in my case. Now let's go to the customer part. For that, oh yeah, I have customer open here, and you can see that the invoicing policy is delivered quantities for this particular customer. So whenever you create a new customer, the by default invoicing policy will be delivered quantities. Let's check the products. I have created 3 products. Okay, so here is the product 1. So its invoicing policy is by default as ordered quantity. And for the product 2, it's a delivered quantity, and for the product 3, it's by customer. Now let's make a sales order for the particular customer that we have created. So I'm creating a sales order under the test customer name. Okay, I'm adding product. Firstly, we will add product 1, then product 2, and then product 3. Okay, the product has been added. Now let's set up the quantity. Okay, with 3, 2, and 2. Okay, the unit price has been already set, and yeah, let's save the sales order. So now when I confirm the sales order, I should be only able to see the invoice for the product 1 because its default invoicing policy is set as ordered quantities. Now let's create an invoice. Okay, so yeah, you can see the invoice. The invoice of the only the ordered quantities has been generated. Now let's go to the product and let's validate a partial inward. I'm editing it and I'll say here 1. Skip both 1 and I'll save it. I'll validate it. I'll also create a back order from here itself. Okay, now let's go to the sales order and create an invoice for this. Okay, so I can see the 2 invoice. This one is the product 1, which is for the only the ordered quantities, and this one is for the delivered quantities. So here you can see the quantity of 1 has been invoice for the quantity of 1 has been generated. Now let's go to the delivery and validate all the inwards. Okay, the order has been completed, and now I can create an invoice. Okay, the invoice has been created, and you can see the other 2 products, remaining products has been inwarded. Yeah, that's how this module works, and you can directly install the module from the link in the description. And thank you.